my nose, very little. It tastes good. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a full face, or most of my face, with new makeup and new products which I'm trying out for the first time today. And I'm excited because my mom went to Thailand recently, and she found a Sephora there, which was so awesome because we don't have a Sephora here in South Africa, and we got some new goodies from there, and I'm super excited, which is why I had to sit down today and film this little get ready with me, first impressions, and it's just a tutorial. It's just everything meshed into one, and I hope you guys enjoy because I'm excited to be doing this video because I've wanted these products for a while. Anyway, if you guys enjoy, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and make sure you follow me on my Twitter and my Instagram so you guys don't miss out on any updates on when I post my videos or when I'm gonna miss a week of videos, because I know I haven't been so consistent lately. Anyway, let's get straight into this video. So to start off with, I have a primer, and it is the Sephora Beauty Amplifier primer, and I'm going to try this out, and it is still packaged. Okay, that's really nice. It actually feels a bit like the Benefit Professional. Yeah, it feels a bit like that. It's actually really nice. Wow. Damn! Me likey a lot. So that is primer done. Then I'm gonna go in with foundation, and this is the Sephora Foundation Hydration 10 HR Moisture. I have no idea what that means. Looks like that. I'm going to put this onto my face. I don't know if this is supposed to be high coverage or medium coverage, or buildable, medium coverage, even, fresh and radiant complexion, long lasting. Okay, well, whoa, actually got really nice coverage. Whoa, so this is what a high-end foundation feels like. Next, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fill in my brows. I don't know if I want to set my face first. I'm going to actually leave it there, but I'm going to go ahead and set my do my brows, and I'm using the Sephora Brow Thickener. This is also a newbie, and this is new for me. You guys will know that I have not strayed from my Essence Pomade pencil in a very long time. So let's try this out. I think when you open it up, it's like it's got like a, I don't know how to describe this, but it's actually a powder. I don't know how this is gonna go, but let's try it out, shall we? Okay, well, it is nice. It's a bit difficult to use if you're gonna reach, because this brow came out really nice. This one does not want to cooperate, but it looks nice. I like the way it looks. It's a bit dark. I don't know, I'm so used to using a pencil. That is my brows done. This is quite a nice product, but I wouldn't use it when you're someone that needs to give a whole new shape to your brow every day, which is something that I usually do. And I still like my pencil because my pencil is waterproof, and this is not waterproof. I'm gonna prime my lids. Nothing new, this is just my usual NYX concealer. I'm gonna prime my lids using this. Pretty nicely set, and let's get onto the fun part, which is the eyes. And the product that I have for my eyes today is, I'm so excited. So that is what my palette is looking like right now. I'm gonna go in first with, I think I'm gonna go in with Smarty Pants, which is this one over here, and I'm gonna use that to set my eyes. And ooh, okay. Then I think I'm gonna go in with Rebel, because I'm not doing a very dramatic eye look. It's gonna be pretty basic. I'm gonna go in with Rebel over here, and I'm gonna put that in my crease. Okay, that color is darker than I thought. Damn. Okay. But it's okay. We're gonna go for a bolder look then, I guess. I'm gonna go in with that same color that I used to set my eyes, and I'm just gonna soften the edges because it's a little bit much. I'm gonna take my random brush, which I don't know what it is called, and I'm gonna dip into Sweetheart, which is a light pink matte, and actually I'm gonna try and soften this a little bit. Now I'm going to take a small brush, and I'm just going to put some concealer on my lid so that the shimmer will sit nicely. I'm going to use Funny Girl, which is a really pretty shimmer. It's the lightest shimmer in the palette, and I'm going to put that on my lid where I put the concealer. And ooh, okay. Make it look like one, and like this was intended to happen. I'm just going to conceal and fix up what looks like crap. So I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Obviously I really have been enjoying this for a while now, so this is not a brand new product. So really love this concealer. It's so creamy, and it's got really nice coverage. It's got a nice finish. It doesn't look cakey on my skin. So instead of putting my lighter concealer to brighten up my eyes, I'm going to use a banana powder instead, and I'm using the this one. I don't know if I'm going to say it right. Changed my mind about the lashes, because when I was sizing them and fitting them, they're a bit too dramatic for today, and I'm gonna look like I came from, I don't know, a really hectic party on a Sunday afternoon if I put the lashes on. So instead I'm gonna go ahead and do liner, which I wasn't going to do, but I'm gonna do liner. And today I'm gonna use it's a trial size. It's the Kat Von D Tattoo waterproof liquid liner. So I must say, you guys, I thought this was going to be much darker, like dark, or maybe it's just because it's a trial size that it's not as dark as I see it in some people's videos. But I'm going to go over it with my normal liner, but the pen is nice and precise. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bronze, highlight, etc, etc, etc. And the other new palette that I got is the Too Faced Natural Face palette, which is so cute. The packaging is so cute. And we're looking like that. It is so pretty. It smells like It smells like the biscuits you get with your coffee at a coffee shop. So I'm gonna go in with Sunny Honey as my bronzer. You know what, I didn't finish my lower lash line. Let me finish my lower lash line real quickly and I'll be back. So I'm gonna bronze up a bit. Just make it a bit darker, and I'm gonna use the Tropic Like It's Hot. Okay, this would actually be more of a blush. Oh, okay. I'm gonna add blush, and I'm gonna use Pink Sand, which is the not so bright one. Wow. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go and use Starlights, which is the one on the top here. And I'm going to use that for my highlight today. So just for this video's sake, I'm going to go in with the other highlight satin sheets as well, because I feel like that has a more goldish tint to it, and let's just layer that over because why not. I'm gonna curl my lashes and add some mascara, and I'm using my Benefit Roller Lash Mascara as usual, so nothing new there. Okay, so I guess the last and not least, will be the lipsticks. New Laura Mercier Go Extreme comes with a little baby applicator and the lipsticks in. I think I'm gonna go with Fresh. This is so cool. I've never seen trial lipsticks like this before. Okay, so this is what the lipstick looks like. It's very, very matte, and there's quite a bit of product in this little trial size, so I really like it. So that is the finished look for today's video, using mostly new products on my face and new things that I got from Sephora. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching me struggle with some of these products, even though it's not rocket science. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to do that. Don't forget to subscribe, which I will pop up over here, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Adios, guys.